Welcome class of 2020 and beyond. Welcome to TVHS Biosustainability. Having a clean working environment is important for any classroom. Biosustainability is no exception. By keeping the greenhouse clean, we can prevent loss of items as well as prevent plastics and other trash from entering the greenhouse system. To sweep, please grab a dustpan and broom and sweep up. After, please put whatever you swept up into a trash can. Please note that there's two types of bins, a trash bin as well as a compost bin. The trash can is used to store any plastics, papers, or metals that are used during the greenhouse process. The compost bin, on the other hand, is used for any organic-based compounds such as fruits, vegetables, vines, leaves, or any decayed matter on the floor. To scrub algae off of the rafts and fish tanks, please grab a scrubber and just simply scrub away. Please note that while algae is not good in excessive amounts, you do not have to scrub every single piece of algae off of every surface. That would take too long. After you're done using any piece of equipment, make sure that it's put in its proper place so that anyone who wants to use it tomorrow can easily access it. Rodents can be a nuisance inside of our greenhouse. We have two types of traps to deal with them, a catch and release system as well as a mouse trap. The catch and release system works by putting bait inside of the center. Rodents will then crawl through one of the two doors into the trap, which causes the doors to close right behind them. It offers a more humane approach to trapping animals. If you find any live rodents inside of the trap, please put on gloves and carry the trap by the handles away from the school as well as the greenhouse. To arm the catch and release trap, open the top hatch and remove the plastic lid. Smother the lid with organic peanut butter and place it back inside the trap. Close the hatch and place it on the floor. Here is the best location to place this trap. Mouse traps are different. They exist to simply kill rodents. They are dangerous and if used improperly can lead to broken fingers. To arm these mouse traps, pull the red handle upward until it is locked in the middle. Then, grip the sides of the trap and place it on the floor gently. After, place organic peanut butter on the trap and move it. Personally, using a branch is the safest way to prod the trap. Thank you for watching our tutorial on cleaning, basic organization, as well as trapping. See ya!